Welcome to the Quantum Crypto Trading Bot Integration Guide. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the simple process of connecting your Bybit account to the Quantum Crypto Trading Bot. By linking your Bybit account, you'll unlock the full potential of automated trading, allowing the bot to execute trades on your behalf based on your chosen strategies. Let's get started and set up your Quantum Crypto Trading Bot for seamless and effective trading with Bybit. Step 1. Log in to your Bybit account. Go to the Bybit website and log in with your credentials. If you don't have a Bybit account, you will need to create one and complete the necessary verification steps. Once logged in, hover over your profile icon in the top right corner. Select Sub-Account from the drop-down menu. Next, select API Management from the sidebar menu. Next, create a new API key by clicking on the Create New Key button. Now, click on System Generated API Keys. In the API key usage, select API Transaction, then enter a label for your API key, such as Quantum Crypto Trading Bot API. In the API key permissions, select Read-Write API Transaction, then enable the IP permission grant. Next, go to your Quantum Trading Bot, copy its IP address, and paste it into Bybit. Now paste the copied IP address, then scroll down and mark the checkboxes next to Standard Account and Trade. Additionally, mark the checkboxes for Assets and Exchange History. No further checkboxes need to be selected. Finally, click on Submit and Confirm. Copy the API keys displayed on Bybit and paste them into Quantum Crypto Trading Bot afterward. Save the modifications in both Bybit and Quantum Crypto Trading Bot. Provide a brief interval for the bot to establish the connections, after which your account balance should become visible. Congratulations! You've successfully connected your Bybit account to the Quantum Crypto Trading Bot. This setup enables automated trading, allowing the bot to execute trades based on your predefined strategies efficiently and effectively. By following these steps, you ensure a secure and seamless integration, unlocking the full potential of your trading bot. Remember to keep your API keys secure and regularly monitor your Bybit account for any unusual activity. If you need assistance, our support team is always here to help. Thank you for choosing Quantum Crypto Trading Bot. Happy trading!